So it's the top of the week, and today I'm going to be working on one of my favorite oil paintings, the piece that you see behind me. It's actually my first self-portrait. This painting is titled In Between Dreams. I have another painting titled In Between Dreams as well, but that one is 2026. And this one is edition 2024. This one is special because it's the first piece from an exhibition that I created titled Reflections. And that exhibition was in Milan, Italy. It was my second solo exhibition out there with a gallery called Plan X Gallery. Amazing gallery, amazing experience. Traveling is one of my favorite things to do in the world. So getting to be able to travel and exhibit my work in other places is like a dream come true for sure. And for those who ask, the reflective material that you see that covers the face, it just represents a reflective time in my own life. I want people to see themselves in the work as well, which is also a meaning behind the series Reflections. So today I'm going to be showing the process and working on it a little bit more. It's a few years old now, so I wanted to be able to touch it up, and also showing a little from my exhibition. I'm currently working on one now, and I haven't had a solo exhibition since 2024. So this is a nice reminder to myself of what it is that I'm working towards right now. I'm excited to get to it.